This video demonstrates how to read and write data on the CFMOTO MSE9.0 ECM. Tools required: Motomaster, high-power DC regulated power supply, main cable, jumper wires, MP001 programmer, CFMOTO MSE9.0 ECM. Make sure to update the software to the latest version before we get started. Tap ECU flasher. Enter the menu page and search for the module in the upper right corner to quickly find the corresponding option. Tap Guide and carefully read the warm reminder, menu description, operation guide, special notes, and connection methods. Important: if using the P003 or P003 Plus adapter, a 120 ohm resistor must be installed between the CAN lines. Select the appropriate adapter. Confirm that the module appearance is consistent by checking the ECU image. Tap Connector Pinout. Now refer to the wiring diagram to make the connection. After the connection is successful, first back up the original EEPROM or flash data. You can customize the file name, and the saving path, along with operation records, will be displayed on the left side. Now we'll show how to write data to the module. The CS label in the upper right corner of the right button indicates that this data supports checksum verification. Operation completed. Thanks for watching.